Dunnock. The Dunnock, Prunella modularis, is a small passerine bird that belongs to the family Prunellidae. It is also sometimes referred to as the hedge sparrow or hedge accentor, although it is not closely related to true sparrows. The Dunnock is a common bird found throughout Europe and parts of Asia. Here are some key characteristics and information about the Dunnock. Number 1. Appearance. The Dunnock is a small bird, about 14 centimeters, 5.5 inches, in length. It has a slim body with brownish-gray plumage and a streaked breast. The plumage helps the bird blend well with its surroundings. Male and female Dunnocks look similar, although males may have slightly brighter markings during the breeding season. Number 2. Behavior. Dunnocks are often seen foraging on the ground in gardens, hedgerows, and woodlands. They primarily feed on insects, spiders, and small invertebrates. They also eat seeds and berries, especially during the winter months. Number 3. Breeding. Dunnocks are known for their complex breeding behaviors. They are often involved in situations of polygyny, one male mating with multiple females, or polyandry, one female mating with multiple males. This complex social structure can lead to interesting mating dynamics within Dunnock populations. Number 4. Song. The Dunnock's song is a series of high-pitched, tinkling notes. It is not as loud or melodious as the songs of some other birds but is distinctive and can be recognized by its repeated phrases. Number 5. Habitat. Dunnocks are adaptable birds that can be found in a variety of habitats, including gardens, parks, farmlands, scrublands, and forests. They are generally found in areas with dense vegetation, as they prefer to stay hidden in shrubs and bushes. Number 6. Conservation. Dunnocks are not considered globally threatened, and their populations appear to be stable. They are not currently a conservation concern. Like many species in the natural world, Dunnocks, Prunella modularis, face various biological challenges that can impact their survival and reproduction. Some of these challenges include: Number 1. Habitat loss and fragmentation. Human activities, such as urbanization, agriculture, and deforestation, can lead to the destruction and fragmentation of natural habitats. Dunnocks rely on dense vegetation for cover, nesting, and foraging, so habitat loss and fragmentation can limit their available resources and increase their vulnerability to predators. Number 2. Nest predation. Dunnock nests, which are often built on or near the ground, can be vulnerable to predation by animals such as cats, rats, and other birds. Their habit of nesting close to the ground can make their eggs and young chicks easy targets for predators. Number 3. Brood parasitism. Some Dunnocks may fall victim to brood parasitism, where another bird species, such as the common cuckoo, lays its eggs in the Dunnock's nest. The parasitic eggs hatch first, and the cuckoo chick may outcompete the Dunnock chicks for food, leading to reduced reproductive success for the Dunnocks. Number 4. Climate change. Changes in climate can impact the availability of food resources and alter breeding and migration patterns. Shifts in temperature and weather patterns can affect the timing of insect emergence and the availability of berries and other food sources that Dunnocks rely on. Number 5. Competition. In some areas, Dunnocks may face competition for resources such as food and nesting sites from other bird species. This competition can impact their ability to find sufficient resources for themselves and their young. Number 6. Human disturbance. Human activities, including habitat modification, noise pollution, and recreational activities, can disturb Dunnock populations. Nest abandonment or reduced reproductive success can occur when birds are constantly disturbed by human presence. Number 7. Disease and parasites. Like all wildlife, Dunnocks are susceptible to diseases and parasitic infections. These health challenges can weaken individuals and reduce their ability to survive and reproduce. Number 8. Pesticide exposure. In agricultural areas, dunnocks and other birds can be exposed to pesticides and other chemicals used in farming. This exposure can lead to direct harm or impact their food sources. Number 9. Invasive species. Invasive species can disrupt ecosystems and negatively affect native species, including dunnocks. Invasive predators or competitors can put additional pressure on dunnock populations.